In this tutorial, I'll show you how to embed SoundCloud music into a Weebly website. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com, then sign in to your Weebly account. After logging in, click Website, select Edit Site, and open the website where you want to add your SoundCloud audio. Before returning to Weebly, open a new tab and go to soundcloud.com. Sign in to your SoundCloud account if needed, then open the track or playlist you want to embed. Click the Share button below the track or playlist, then select the Embed tab. Copy the embed code provided by SoundCloud. Now, go back to your Weebly editor and make sure you're on the Build tab. In the left panel, find the embed code element. If you don't see it, click Show All Elements to display the complete list. Drag the embed code element onto your page where you want the SoundCloud player to appear. Click the element, choose Edit Custom HTML, and paste the SoundCloud embed code into the editor. Once you've finished, save and publish your website. Your SoundCloud player will now appear on your page, allowing visitors to listen to your music or audio content without leaving your website. That's how to embed SoundCloud music into a Weebly website. Thanks for watching.